Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever had a weird dream that felt like a movie? What if I told you you can turn that dream into full story in just minutes using ChatGPT? So dreams are full of strange characters, random plots, and wild twists. They are basically rough drafts of creative gold, but most of us forget them or don't know how to shape them into something readable. So this is where ChatGPT becomes your personal writing assistant. It helps you to turn your scattered dreams or fragments into a structured and meaningful story. So right when you wake up, just jot down your dream, even if it's messy. Use notes or even a voice recorder. Then go to the ChatGPT, type in something like, for example, um, turn my dreams. Let me write the prompt here. So turn this dream into a short story. I was in a purple forest and a turtle spoke to me about the time travel. So remember, I'm using ChatGPT for a model, the one that you pay for. So here you've just written down something that you dreamed, then you want ChatGPT to trickle it down for you. So it's converting what you dreamed into a story so that you can at least understand the dream that you. So look at it, the turtle in the purple forest, the forest shimmered with violent leaves and ink mist and all that. So it's kind of narrating the whole dream that you had when you were sleeping. And with just seconds, ChatGPT will generate a full story with complete characters, a plot, and even a theme. So you can ask it to even make it funny. You can even ask it to make the dream funny, kind of spooky, kind of poetic, or something like that. Let's give it this prompt to see what it does. So it can go ahead and create that for you. So you have just ask it to make it funny, spooky, poetic, or even turn it into a screenplay. So you look at it as the funny version of your dream, and it has created it very nicely. The spooky version, the poetic version, and the screenplay version. Look at that. That's created the best. So you can also, so if you want more details, ask ChatGPT to describe the forest more vividly, or even give your turtle a name, or maybe give it a backstory if you want more details in your story, just to make sure that it looks quite nice. So ChatGPT helps bridge your imagination and storytelling by turning random dreams fragments into cohesive scenes. So it understands structure, intro, conflict, climax, and resolution. And your dreams doesn't just it's not just a dream. So next time you wake up thinking, "Whoa, that was wild," don't let it fade. Just feed it to ChatGPT and watch your dreams become a story. Dream, write, and repeat. So subscribe for more creative AI tips and share your dream story in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.